This mechanical water temperature gauge from Dorman offers reliable, real-time monitoring of coolant, oil, or transmission fluid temperatures to help protect your engine from overheating. The clear black dial with bright white markings, colored safe zones, and a bold red pointer makes it easy to read at a glance, even in low light thanks to the built-in backlighting. Multiple temperature ranges and sweep styles are available, so you can choose a gauge that matches your engine's operating characteristics and your preferred level of detail. Its construction is designed to resist vibration, heat, and moisture, which is especially important in older vehicles, off-road applications, or harsh climates. The kit includes the gauge, mounting panel with an optional wood grain insert, sending unit, adapter fittings, and hardware, making it a practical all-in-one solution for most installations. Some versions offer an adjustable tilt tube so you can angle the gauge toward the driver's line of sight, improving visibility and overall driving confidence.